Welcome to Light Up Literature Curriculum. Today we're learning how to find the main idea of a passage. This is one of the most important skills for strong readers. Let's get started. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify the main idea, identify supporting details, and explain how those details connect back to the central message. Let's break this down together. The main idea is the most important message the author wants you to understand. Supporting details are the facts and examples that prove or explain that message. Think of the main idea as the big point and the details as the evidence. To identify the main idea, look for repeated words or ideas. Check the topic sentence of the paragraph and summarize the passage in your own words. These strategies make finding the main idea much easier. Listen to this passage. Rainforests are vital to the health of our planet. They are home to countless species of plants and animals and produce much of the oxygen we breathe. Unfortunately, rainforests are being destroyed at an alarming rate, mainly because of human activities like logging and farming. Protecting these forests is essential for maintaining biodiversity and fighting climate change. Now, it's your turn. What is the main idea of the passage? Then choose two supporting details. Pause here to work out the problem. Here are the correct answers. The main idea is rainforests are vital to the health of our planet. Supporting details include they are home to many species and they produce much of the oxygen we breathe. Pause here to check and compare your work. Now, listen to another passage. Exercise is important for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It helps control weight, improves mental health, and lowers the risk of chronic diseases. Regular physical activity can also improve sleep and increase your energy throughout the day. What is the main idea of this passage? Then choose two supporting details. Pause here to work out the problem. Here are the answers. The main idea is exercise is important for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Two supporting details include it helps control weight and it improves mental health. Let's try one more passage. Learning to play a musical instrument can be beneficial for people of all ages. It enhances memory and improves coordination. Playing music is also a great way to relieve stress and express creativity. What is the main idea of this passage? Then choose two supporting details. Pause here to work out the problem. Here's a strong answer. The main idea is learning an instrument can be beneficial for all ages. Supporting details include it enhances memory and it improves coordination. Now, it's your turn. Start working on your practice. If you don't have any practice pages yet, check the video description for resources that go with this lesson. Thanks for watching Finding the Main Idea by Light Up Literature Curriculum.